Hey YouTube, I want to apologize up front. My bad. Guys, I recorded these videos that you're going to see, this next compilation of videos. This is part one. This weekend, I did all the recording in one day, put it all together, put all the stuff away, put all the statues in their respective places, did all my commentary, and I went to come edit it, and I found out that my camera was set to high speed. So it's really silly of me. I should have checked it, but I didn't, and I apologize. So this video is just me running around opening this box. You guys can see it. I mean, it was fun for me, but it's gonna not be fun for you. But hold on, I did take some pictures of this statue. Watch the end of this video. You guys are really gonna like them. The detail is incredible. She's beautiful. The hyenas look amazing. The sculpts look amazing. I don't have any really negative things to say about this statue. It's prominently displayed in my my Harley Quinn room. I really love this thing. But this is just the first. This is the first of 3 statues that I unboxed this way. So just hold out. I promise it's worth it. The third video is the creme de la creme of all of them. But just hold out, watch this video a little bit, and check out the pictures. Really, the pictures say 1,000, like they're worth 1,000 words. They're beautiful. You'll love them. You'll enjoy them. Just check them out. Like, subscribe. I apologize. I don't want this to happen anymore. So I want to be a little bit more diligent. It's been a while. So please forgive me. Forgive my issues with this, but you know, I did it in one shot. I wasn't thinking, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll move on. There'll be more unboxings. It'll be cool. You'll enjoy it. Thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, and keep coming back. We're gonna be doing more. I got more. All right, guys.